I want to talk about the lip products in the kit. This is Splash Liquid Lipstick. My mom tells me it's the color Stubborn, but I call it the color Red. This is a lip bonbon. It's called Vanilla Milkshake. A bonbon is something that you use for your lips when your lips get chapped. I'll show you how to put it on. This makes it go up and down. This is better than any chapstick and is made with coconut oil. My mom really doesn't like me wearing red lipstick. But let me show you how to apply this. You ready? What you think? If you want to be bold, you gotta wear red. Bye.